of someone who has made you feel truly empowered, valued, and inspired. You have 10 seconds to think about someone, okay? If you want to close your eyes, you can do it, okay? If you have someone in your mind right now, let me tell you that that person made you feel the power of positive leadership. So now the question is, what does that really look like? Let me show you a quick sample of the power of positive leadership. So, this is unbelievable. You are late again. Why can't you get it right? I don't care if you are tired. This is your job. If you can handle this pressure, someone else will do it. Thank you for coming today. I know things are not always easy, but your efforts really matter. Is there something I can do to support you? You are not alone in this. We are in this together, and your work is appreciated. Did you see the difference between these two leaders?
Yeah.
Which kind of leader do you prefer? The first one or the second one? The second one. Okay. Sure. But now the question is, what positive leadership means? Positive leadership is not being always nice with all the people. You know, being a cheerleader, like to get along with everyone here. But positive leadership is being intentional, is being human, and impactful. So, when I think about positive leadership, probably you can imagine or remember some of the great leaders or famous people over the world, like Hitler or some presidents in the world. But when I think about positive leadership, I think about this woman. So probably she is not a president, she is not something or someone famous. But why I choose her? When I was 12 years old, he is my best friend, by the way. When I was 12 years old, we all decided to learn how to play piano. So she was not my piano teacher, but she was the piano teacher assistant. So he had a lot of responsibilities. But why I chose her? One day I decided to give up. I decided to say like, I can't with this. I'm not able to learn piano. And one day she told me, do you want to be a loser? Or do you want to be a great leader? Do you want to be a great pianist? Consequently, I decided to go ahead and learn piano, to keep going on this, and do my best, because I know the Lord has a purpose for me in my life. So as a result, 10 years later, we both decided to teach piano lessons. So we were remembering like how was the experience when we were learning piano, and how was our experience with her. What was the impact that she made in our lives? So when these people graduated, we invite her, this woman. So and we were saying how this woman impacted our lives. So positive leadership, with the power of positive leadership, is not about titles, it's not about authority, it's not about being a famous person who inspires others. Leadership is about being a good influence for all people. So my invitation now is, be the leader the world truly needs. Thank you.